Right, engine removal. Very straightforward. Been asked by a few people to make a little vid on this. Well, actually only one person suggested it and I didn't have anything else better to do today. And I've got to take it out anyway. So this is what I believe to be one of the easiest ways of getting an engine out. First, take off your cage. Straightforward stuff, I've already taken mine out. Also doing something to the radio box, but don't worry about that. What I like to think of it as there are 3 sets of bolts holding the engine into the frame, into the chassis, and a small handful of accessories bolted to the engine. What we're going to do first is take all the accessories off. First I'll finish taking the cage off. I've got one of those quick release systems that seems to be going around. If you don't have that, you've got to take this bracket here off, and that's a real pain in the ass to take off. So if you haven't got the quick release system, then it sucks to be you. Right, accessories, exhaust, clutch, fuel lines, and accelerator linkage stuff. First I'll take the accelerator linkage off. First, this part here, all this plastic that needs to do is to move to the front of the car. It should unclip, pull the rod out. Next thing to do is take this off the servo, which I've already taken the servo box out. Just unscrew that and off that comes. Next, brake. Pull that lever out. Turn that back in so you don't lose it. And out that comes. Whatever exhaust you have on there, you would have put on yourself, so very straightforward to take it off. Alright, exhaust is off. Now take your spur gear plate off. Right, this is very simple. Circlip off, spur gear off. Little spacer in there, take it off so you don't lose it. And take these 2 out. Right, now these 2 bolts are out. I want to take those 3 bolts on the clutch carrier off. So this one down here. Oh, tight. And the third one, there's a little rubber bung on the plate here. Take that out. And alright, so it's also a good idea to take the wheel off. Get it out of the way. Now through that access hole, take the other clutch carrier. That's going to hurt. The other clutch carrier bolt out. Oh. Okay, out she comes. Now take this little bracket here off. And that should just slide out. Another little spacer here, don't lose it. A little bit of manipulation, that should come straight off. Now that's what I consider all the accessories have now been taken off. Now to get to the 3 sets of bolts that hold the engine in. The first set, there are 2 on the front here. I've already taken one of them off. There's another one on the other side. Now you want to take that out and the other side which you've already taken out, and also take this upright off as well. Let's take that bolt out first. There's a spacer behind there, don't lose it. There are 2 bolts here, 2 bolts there. Take them out. Right, now your upright can come off, like so. And there'll be a little plate here that, just leave that where it is. Right, now it's the 2 front bolts out. Now the next set of bolts are underneath. There's only 3. These 2 and that one. Right, that one. That one. And that one. the last two set of bolts, which are in the back, two of them, and there's one there and there's one there. Both, especially if you've got the shock on that one, both are a real pain in the ass to get off. So here's an easier way. Take it off, this one off from this one here. This bolt bolts into the bracket, that bracket, which that bolt holds on. So take that one off, and on this side take that one off, and the brackets will stay on the motor. Okay, all that's holding your engine in now, attached to your chassis, are the fuel lines. So take the top one off. Before you take the top one off, release the pressure first, and then you won't get petrol all over your kitchen bench. Now, move the motor back a tad, and these should pop out of place. Pull the other fuel line off. Voila! To put your engine back in, just reverse all of that.